Hey, boys and girls, happy Wednesday. Today we will find the result unknown by separating to answer word problems. How are we going to do this? We're going to use 10 frames again to find the result unknown. Why? Because it's important to be able to solve problems with the result unknown. Joining. Say joining. Joining is when we combine two or more sets together. Separating. Say separating. Separating is removing some from the group. Now here's my problem. It says I have 18 cookies. I ate 5 of them. How many cookies do I have now? All right, so we need to look at this problem carefully because it's telling us something very, very important. So let's read it again. Okay, it says I have 18 cookies. That's important information. It tells you the start. How many did I start with? 18. I ate 5 of them. Oh my goodness. That's very important to know because that means some of them are gone. They're in my tummy. Now the next part is the question. What is the problem asking you? How many cookies do I have now? So how many are left? If I had 18 and I ate 5 of them, how many are still there? Let's use the counters to find this answer. So if I had 18, I'm going to need to put in 18 counters. How many are in a 10 frame? How many are in a full 10 frame? 10. This is 10. I need 18. So count with me. 10, 11. One more time. This is how many right here? 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. Now I have 18 cookies. Had. Because then what did I do? I ate 5 of them. So we're going to need to X off the 5 that I ate. Okay? So I ate 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I ate 5. I need to cross out one more. There are the 5 cookies that I ate. So how many cookies do I have now? Oh, I forgot to highlight that important question. How many cookies do I have now? So you're going to count all the counters that I have left. Let's see how many cookies I have now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I have 13 cookies left, so I'm going to put 13 in my answer box. All right, let's see. I think I need help with one more problem. Are you up for it? All right, let's go. Wait a minute. This looks like Miss Moore's problem. There were 19 dogs at the park. 8 of them leave. How many dogs are at the park now? Let's read that question again. There are 19 dogs at the park. That is important information. So I'm going to highlight that and remember that. 8 of them leave. Also important information. That means they're separating. 19 here and 8 of them are leaving. So we're separating the dogs at the park. How many dogs are at the park now? Now we're going to highlight the question because that's very important. 19 dogs at the park. So let's show 19 dogs with our counters. How many counters are in a full 10 frame? Do I need to count each counter? No, if the 10 frame is full, there are 10 counters in it. Now I need 19, so I'm going to need to add 9 more. Of course. Ah! What are you doing to me, crazy lady? All right. Count with me. That's 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19 dogs at the park. Now, 8 of them leave. How many dogs are at the park now? So how many left? How many am I separating from this group? 8. So I'm going to cross out 8 of them. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many dogs left the park again? Oh, 8. So we're at 6, 7, and 8 little doggies left the park. 8 dogs. How many dogs are at the park now? Let's count how many dogs are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 11 dogs left at the park because there were 19 and 8 of them left. So I'm going to put 11 in my answer box. Can you see it? Yeah. Okay. Now your practice looks like this. It says I have 17 bottles of water. I drink 8 of them. How many bottles of water do I have left? Well, you're going to need to draw the counters in the 10 frame to show 17 bottles of water. Take away 8 of them because you drink 8 of them. So 8 of them go away. And then you're going to count how many you have left, writing your answer in your answer box. Your second problem says there are 16 students at the playground. 10 of them go inside. How many students are still at the playground? If there are 16 students at the playground, you need to color 16 counters. Then if 10 of them go inside, cross out 10 of them and count how many are still at the playground, writing your answer in the answer box. Very good. What did you learn today? That joining is combining 2 or more sets. Separating is removing some from the group. And then you have an addition and subtraction word problem video from our favorite little lawnmower guy. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.